Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English short story with pictures, A Day in the Park. Let's go to the park. I love to play with my friends in the park. Let's play on the slide. My friends and I take turns on the slide. Let's swing. How high can we fly? We are high up in the air. Let's play with the ball. My friends and I love to play with the ball. I kick the ball far. We run very fast to get it. Let's rest now as we are tired. My friend and I lie down on the grass. Let's eat some snacks. We share biscuits, fruits, and some water. Now we are ready to play again. Let's play hide and seek. I look for my friends as they hide. We are really tired now. We sit down and watch other kids play. Let's do one last thing. I want to go on the monkey bars. I can swing really fast. Let's say goodbye to the friends. It's time to go home. It was fun today. Let's come back soon. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.